Well, we're by Cregennan Lakes here, and my generations of my family, my ancestors used to farm just down past the lakes there and on the sides of Teremawr here. So yeah, deep connections with the area and absolutely love it. The main theme of my campaign is to strengthen the economy. We need to ensure that we've got good quality jobs, well-paid jobs here, and to achieve that we need to ensure that local communities have control over the resources, and those resources, instead of benefiting others, that the wealth created by those resources are retained within those communities. And that's the kind of vision that we need to ensure job creation and wealth creation here in Dwyfor Meirionnydd and indeed across Wales. For the first time, 16 and 17-year-olds are allowed to vote in this election, and that's a hugely significant step because we're discussing your future. We're creating a new Wales here, and you're going to be the people who play that important part in building that new Wales. That's why you're so important in participating in this election. The campaign is looking to create healthier communities whereby we have a stronger economy, more jobs, affordable housing and services closer to our communities. That's the vision that we in Plaid Cymru and I as a candidate we're presenting to you, and that's the vision that we're asking you to back. That's why I'd like you to support my campaign and vote for me on May the 6th.